Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Vivint smart home security, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking all components of your Vivint smart home security system. Ensure you have the control panel, door/window sensors, motion detector, and indoor-outdoor cameras. Locate the control panel and find a suitable place to mount it, ideally near an electrical outlet. Using the included template, mark the location of the mounting holes on your wall. Drill small pilot holes and then secure the control panel in place with screws. Next, plug the control panel into the power outlet. Allow a few minutes for it to power on and complete the initialization process. Once the control panel is up and running, you need to install the door and window sensors. Start with the door sensor by peeling off the adhesive backing. Attach one part of the sensor to the door frame and the other part to the door itself. Ensure the two pieces align properly when the door is closed. Repeat this process for all windows and doors you wish to secure. Now, move on to the motion detector. Choose a corner of the room where the detector will have a clear view of the area. Mount the motion detector high on the wall, following the adhesive instructions or using screws. Next, install any indoor and outdoor cameras. For indoor cameras, place them in locations that cover high traffic areas. For outdoor cameras, ensure they are mounted in locations that provide a clear line of sight. Connect each camera to the power source, and ensure they are positioned to avoid obstructions. Now, you need to set up the Vivint app on your mobile device. Download the Vivint Smart Home app from the App Store or open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your devices to the app. Use the app to name each device for easy identification later. Next, configure your monitoring settings and notifications. Set up any automation features or schedules you like for your smart devices. Finally, test each component to ensure it's functioning correctly. Check that the sensors trigger alarms and that cameras can stream video to the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.